In today's tech tip, we'll discuss how to identify engine models in Toyotas. I'm getting ready to work on the ignition system of this RAV4, and I pulled up service information. You'll notice I have two choices. This could be an A25A FKS, or it could be A25A FXS. How do I know which model I have? We need to identify the engine code by the emissions label. Let's go over there and look at it. So I'm back over here at my Toyota RAV4, and I'll read the emissions decal. All vehicles are required by law to state this. They must have the manufacturer's logo and an unconditional statement saying this vehicle meets regulations for its model year. Notice this is a 2021 model year hybrid electric vehicle. It has both US EPA and California EPA certifications. In this case, California always trumps US. It's equipped with direct fuel injection, sequential fuel injection, EGR valve, EGR cooler, 2 wide-range O2 sensors or air-fuel ratio sensors, and 2 two-way catalytic converters. Here, A25A FXS is this engine's model number. That's how you read the emissions decal on a Toyota. Thanks, and join us again for more tech tips.